Bro, you good, bro? You've been hitting the Benjamin, haven't you, dude?
Of course, bro.
Take one of those, bro. Take one of those right now.
What is this? 3 of these?
Yeah, so basically they have an ingredient called mullein leaf, and you'll be able to cough up all the toxic stuff inside your lungs.
Okay.
Yeah.
That smells good.
Yeah.
Blue grass?
Yes, sir.
So this is supposed to help me detox my lungs?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay, so take 2 a day for a whole month? It's a whole month supply?
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, where'd you get this from?
I got it off TikTok, bro.
TikTok?
Yes, sir.
Bro, how much?
Go right now. They're going for $30.
That's it?
Yeah,
Bro,
dude.
I need these. Can you send me the link?
Say less, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it linked right here.